Welcome to DIY Tech. How to install Linksys Router with cat5. Connect an Ethernet cable from your computer to any of the numbered ports at the back of the Linksys router. Plug the supplied power adapter to an electrical outlet and into the Linksys router. Access your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. Click Connectivity. Click the Internet Settings tab. Note, by default, the type of Internet connection is set to Automatic Configuration, DHCP. Check the enabled box next to MAC address clone and click Clone my PC's MAC. Click the Apply button located at the lower right corner of the page. On the Applying Changes pop-up box, click OK. Connect the modem to the Internet port of the Linksys router. Your Internet connection should now be active. You can now proceed with setting up and securing your wireless network. Thanks for watching.